Y'all, we have made it. We are officially in Astana. We have reunited with Tanya's parents. It's the first time seeing them in 3.5, almost 4 years. The city is beautiful. We haven't really been around the city yet. I'm sure within the next few weeks we will explore and see all sorts of stuff in the city, but just the view from our window. We have an Airbnb right in the center of the city. We just knowing with the girls and them not liking to walk a lot that we didn't want to be too far out, and with us not having a car here, we didn't want to be too far outside of the city, of the center and things. You know, there's a water park that's not far from here, an indoor water park that we'll probably go to, and just all sorts of parks and stuff around. So we wanted to be in the center of the action. So like I said, we got an Airbnb right in the center. It's a nice 3-bedroom, I think 3-bedroom, but then there's also a really huge living room that has places that you can sleep to. So it's a really nice apartment in a really nice area. And yeah, we'll have to explore the city some more. But after being on the train, and our train was delayed for almost 3 hours, not sure why. There were some fires somewhere in some city that caused some major delays. And so instead of the train taking 14 hours, it took almost 17, I think, 16 and a half or something hours that we were on that train. So it was longer than we expected. We ran out of food because we didn't bring enough. We brought enough to get us to like 5 o'clock in the morning, which is when we would have been getting up and getting ready to go. We didn't anticipate that we were going to have to be on the train until 9:30 a.m. And so we were stretching our food as thin as possible, like eating slices of oranges here and there, trying to stretch it. And the kids are like, I'm hungry. And we're like, no, but you can't eat it yet because we're going to run out of food. But we survived. We made it. And we're here. I had a really bad migraine. I don't know if it's because of the difference in like temperature, because where we were in Almaty, it was like 90 something degrees pretty much from morning till night. And we were in the mountains. Here, we're not in the mountains. We're in the middle of the city, the capital of the country. And I guess it was pretty warm, but for whatever reason, they're having a cold front for the next day or two. So right now it's 58 degrees outside and really windy. So it is quite chilly. And we did not bring winter clothes for a summer in Kazakhstan. Because like I said, it's been in the 90s, close to 100 some days. So there's that. Thankfully, the heat is dry here. It's not that wet heat like we have, that humid heat that we have in Atlanta. So at least that part has been nice. But yeah, I'm about to go hop in the shower. I need to buy a razor tomorrow so I can shave because I forgot my automatic razor, and I'm not going to make it too much longer in these streets without shaving. My face is itching, so need to get to that. But yeah, tomorrow it'll be a new day, and we will start exploring the city and see what it has to offer. And of course, we're going to take the FLocers along because I know y'all want to see what's going on in in Astana, Kazakhstan as well. So we'll check in tomorrow. Y'all, today is a special day. You ask why? Because the kids are with the grandparents, and we are going out for the first time, I think, ever without the kids. Not ever, but like to explore and walk. Like, who walks?
For the first time in another country.
Yes.
Yes.
Freedom.
Oh no.
No,
We
not
lied.
freedom.
We did this in Prague.
When we had Tori?
No, that was before kids.
Yeah,
in
so
another
since
country.
we've had kids, we haven't.
Since,
yes. This is the first time since we've had kids. So, exploring. Oh, that's really cool. The little ships up there.
Oh.
We are on the way to the mall because Tanya needs a SIM card so that she can get her phone working again. And it's that alien spaceship looking thing way out there that we need to get to. But there's also a mall right here. What'd you say?
It's a movie theater too.
You think they have the Little Mermaid?
Hold the tide.
We can go see Little Mermaid in IMAX. FLocers got my impression of Astana. What's your impression?
It's amazing. It's really modern and yet really authentic. And it's my first time being in Kazakhstan, although we lived so close to it when we were in Russia.
What's your favorite thing in Astana so far?
So far, just like being able to walk everywhere.
Yes, we do miss walking,
Yeah.
like walking as a part of culture,
Yes.
as opposed to in Atlanta where we drive everywhere. We drive to the gym.
Yeah, here we just walk and there are like tons of coffee shops and little restaurants and everything, and it's in walking distance. So, I mean, it's not everywhere, like not like that everywhere. Like we stay in downtown, but no, actually there are tons of little shops and stuff in the neighborhoods because it's just convenient.
Yeah, I mean, literally downstairs from where we live, there's everything you can need, from pharmacies to salons where you can go get massages, get your nails done,
Yeah.
get your hair did.
There are lots of like daycares downstairs and first floors.
Little stores. So yeah, everything's
Some supermarkets.
right there
Yeah.
within walking distance. We need to cross the street.
Обычный рис на каше или с чем-то? Обычный.
Да, давайте обычную.
А пить вам что-нибудь?
Я беру латте.
Латте классическое?
У меня, да.
450, 350 мл.
450.
А вам?
Мне капучино.
250, 350.
250.